Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just doing a VR video response. Silvercat is asking what are your favorite 5 generic rounds, and I'm going to start off with mine and my number 5 generic round. And you know, these are all awesome rounds to me. It's very hard to pick a number 5, so um, I don't think these top 4 are in any order. Um, But here would be number 5, SS Cara SOPA, Shipwreck Silver, 1941. This was recovered a couple years ago now. I think it was 2013. It's been underwater on the ocean floor since World War II, 1941. And I did a video on explaining a lot of it a couple months ago, so I'm not going to go into great detail, but that is my number, I guess my number 5, even though it's a pretty nice number 5. Number 4 would be the number 1 in the series of the Privateer series, 2-ounce round. Very nice detail. You got the ship in the stormy waters. Awesome detail there. This was recently just given to me. It was a gift, and an awesome gift at that. Very appreciative for this, and that's a pretty awesome piece. And that would be my number, I guess would be my number 4. My number 3 is going to be the right here, the Solivate Metal Poof Lake round. Very awesome. It's an awesome round. Just purchased this a couple months ago, even though it's been out for I believe over a year. Multitude of gratitude. YouTube.com, Solivate Metal. Very nice Poof Lake round. So that would be my number 3. My number 2 is the Coin Keeper poured 2-ounce round with the dragon on there. Very nice. I love this round. Very nicely poured silver. And this was almost my number 1, but it's a pretty close number 2, but it's close to being number 1. But my number 1 has to be the Solivate Metal Multitude of Fortitude round. Very nice kitty. Came out really nice on there. If you haven't picked one of these up, I would highly suggest going over there and picking this thing up. Awesome piece. I believe it was SD Bullion. I believe that's the name of the mint who made these. It says Solivate Metal at the top. 1.75 troy ounce fine silver. Very nice. Very nice. So this is my number 1. It's gonna be kind of hard to throw this from number 1, but we'll see if it ever happens. So that's my top 5. Thanks a lot everybody for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and once again, thanks everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your Sunday evening. Thanks a lot everybody. Take care.